Have you ever set a boundary and then felt immediate guilt or fear or just the need to backtrack? Like you can't tolerate even the thought of someone being disappointed. Well, that's just your nervous system doing something new. And today I'm teaching you 3 tools to help you tolerate the discomfort of change: radical acceptance, ladder work, and a 2-chair exercise for that inner critic that tries to pull you back into old patterns. This is the 4th video in a 4-part series on distress tolerance skills, so be sure to check out parts 1 to 3 for more helpful tips. Let's jump right in. The first tool is radical acceptance. This is when you say something like, "I don't like this, but I accept that this is happening right now." Acceptance is not approval, it's just choosing to stop adding to your suffering by arguing with reality. The second tool is ladder work. It's where you're looking to build tolerance in steps. So you make 3 levels. Level 1 is something like, "Let me get back to you." Level 2, "That doesn't work for me." Level 3, "No." Notice that you're gradually building up to being firmer. Pick one level this week and practice until you're ready to move on to the next level. You're building tolerance through repetition. The third tool is the 2-chair technique, also known as the empty chair technique. So you're basically practicing a dialogue between your critic versus your compassionate coach. And you're moving from chair to chair, playing both parts. So chair 1 might be your inner critic saying, "You're clumsy, you can't change, you're stupid." Chair 2 is, "This is new. You shouldn't expect yourself to be perfect. Every time you try, you're learning." Your compassionate coach is the one that is going to say something validating and encouraging. Remember, change feels uncomfortable because it's new. Your job is to practice staying with that discomfort without being invalidating to yourself. Instead, validate your experience and allow yourself space to learn and grow. Until we meet again, remember to fill your cup first and then pour into others. If this message encouraged you, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss future episodes. And of course, share it with someone who could use a little encouragement today. Hi, I'm Crystal Hawkins, a licensed professional counselor and licensed clinical alcohol and drug counselor. Thank you for listening.